How to create your own Memoji on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can create your own Memoji on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Messages app, and on your Messages app, head over to any DM that you want. Then on the bottom left side, you will see the plus icon. Tap on the plus icon, and after you tap on it, scroll down. There you'll find Memoji right here. Tap on Memoji. After you tap on Memoji, you can simply tap on the Memoji here. You can see tap to resume option. If you simply swipe up on there, you will then see the option where you can, simply use any of this emojis. But if you tap on this plus icon again, from here you can actually create your Memoji. To create your Memoji, what you will need to do is select a color, your skin type, your everything else here. So let me select freckles. You can, go through with the cheeks and beauty spots. You can also select the hairstyle. So you can select any hairstyle that you want, your brows. You can even choose the colors, the eyes, head, nose, and mouth, and also a lot of different options here. And you can also select your body. So you can select whatever you want here. I'll just select this one and then tap on done. After tapping on done, if you head over to this plus icon again and head over to stickers, you will see your Memoji here as well. So head over to your stickers and there you should find your Memoji option. And the new one that you created might take some time to load, but it'll appear right here. And that's basically how you can create Memoji on your iPhone. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.